Okay, so hey everyone, in this task, your assignment is to actually take the sprite and have the sprite draw a shape by clicking the green flag. So when I do that, you should see that it actually produces a square. But in this particular task, what we want you to do is actually create a reflection in the y-axis with the given shape. So could you actually, with code, generate a reflection? So one of the cool ways you can actually go about doing this is if you see the go to x and y block, you can start exploring with the relationships of inverse relationships by putting a negative sign in front of the 100 and then running the code again and see what actually happens. Now you'll notice that it might not work, and this is kind of that remixing exploration stage. So what I'm going to do is change this to 200, and when I do this, we'll see if we get the reflection that we were actually looking for. Thank you.